Now, next one. So find the value of A and value B. So yeah, so we come to that point now. So what did I do here? So this was the previous question here. So I said, okay, so for A1, so I worked with A1 first. So just having a quick reflect on the PDF. So AX plus B takes values of X between 1 and 4, and the second one takes values of X between 4 and 6. So we're going to work with the first one for a second because that has A and B. So working with that, what I did here, I said, okay, so what happens when X equals 1, the lower bound? If you plug in X equals 1 to this equation, you just get A plus B. And that's going to equal 0. How do we even know this? Because when X equals 1, we'll look at this triangle here. It hits exactly, the y-axis is 0. So when X is 1, Y is 0. This means that the equation is equal to 0. Now, for the second point here, so look at this triangle one more time. We also know that the area of A1 is 0.5. So we can say, firstly, when A1 is 0.5, and if we want to work out the height of this, we can say that when X is 4, Y has a height of exactly 4A plus B. Because remember, X is here, so when you plug in 4, you get 4A plus B. And now this is easy now. You just use area of a triangle formula. Base times height equals, so half base times height equals 0.5. Work around this, and then you can tie this up to make it look like 12A plus 3B equals 1, just to make it tidy. Timesing 2 across and expanding. Now, what do we do here? So now you can just solve this well simultaneously. And solving this simultaneously, well, I think is not too bad. But I did it anyway, and I got A equals a ninth and minus a ninth. Just in case, the fast way to calculate this if you're unsure, times the top equation by 3. So you get 3A plus 3B equals 0. Subtract against the second equation, so you get 9A equals 1. Divide by 9, you get A equals a ninth. Plug into the first equation, you get minus a ninth. And that's it.